welcome back to another video. If you want to scale your SMMA on autopilot, I'm going to go over the couple things that I've been doing to basically delegate more, automate more, so that you can scale more on autopilot. It's a combination of really two things and just some KPIs and benchmarks to keep in mind. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right into it.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
First things first is when you actually want to scale on autopilot, you have to have a predictable way to get appointments that are qualified, right? So it's either going to be through paid ads or organic reasons. You either have to obviously up your ad spend if you're running paid traffic, or the second piece is you really have to, automate the cold outreach. And what I mean by that is, like, if you're doing a lot of looms, or you're doing a lot of cold emails or cold messaging, right? You have to just bring more people into the business who have more accounts so you can push more organic outreach. So depending on how many outreaches you get a day right now, you would just simply hire X more people to double, triple, 4X, 5X, 10X those results. And then on paid ads, if you're spending $500 a day, when you really want to start scaling on autopilot and have more predictability, you want to be able to onboard, I would probably say 2 new sales reps and be spending about $2,000 to $3,000 a day in ads, which is very, very possible if you're looking to scale on autopilot, because obviously that means that your retention is pretty decent right now and you're obviously, profiting a decent amount. The other thing you should be looking out for as far as benchmarks are, if you really want to start spending money on paid ads, you want to be at least at the 50K a month mark, because at 50K a month, if you're running that business for 3 to 4 months, you should have enough capital and money saved to run ads. And then with having more sales reps, you'll obviously be able to, obviously keep that flow going. So if you don't have at least 10 to 15 or 15 to 20 booked appointments a day with those paid ads at 2 to 3K, then you need to fix your ad strategy or fix your offer. With the cold outreach, you should be able to get one, I would probably say 5 to 10 good qualified booked appointments a day. That's going to be enough for one sales rep. So that's why I'm saying, like, if you have 15 to 20, you probably want to get 3. You don't have 3 total sales reps running all the sales calls for you. And then the other side of the coin is like, okay, what are other ways to automate? So every 25 accounts that you get, you want to look to have like basically double of the employees or team members that you have right now. So for every 25 accounts, you want 1 account manager, 1 onboarder, 1 media buyer. That could be Facebook, and another media buyer would be Google. Another media buyer could be TikTok. And then you also want a marketing manager. You're also gonna need probably an email marketing manager, an SMS marketing manager, copywriter. Duplicate every 25 accounts as you scale. So that then comes to the next point, which is if you actually want to scale on autopilot, you can't be hiring everybody. So you have to have a hiring manager and SOPs. So make sure you can find somebody who's good at vetting, qualifying people, hiring, using Upwork, using onlinejobs.ph, building SOPs in every department so that every person who gets hired can then be automated and onboarded without really having much problems. And, being able to put them in the ecosystem, give them, Google Docs, give them Loom videos to watch so that they can just watch videos, read Google Docs, and implement stuff, right? So that's really the biggest piece. And that's how I would realistically scale on autopilot. We have over 180 accounts, so it kind of just makes sense that, this has worked for me. We have 45 plus team members, so it can kind of get hectic sometimes, but you want to really keep the teams more internal so that they're not mixing with other accounts as well. So I'd recommend like team A, team B, team C, team D. Don't just put everybody in this one big ecosystem, because they're going to get too confused and too overwhelmed. So yeah, those are my biggest tips for scaling on autopilot. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate